Children, this is chapter number 6, application of derivatives. Miscellaneous exercise we are doing, part 2. Already part 1 we have uploaded, first 4 videos we have done. Question number 5 we are starting. Find maximum area of an isosceles triangle inscribed in an ellipse. Okay, there is an isosceles triangle it seems. That will be inscribed in an ellipse. Okay, so that, so first I will draw ellipse. First, I will draw ellipse. This is the ellipse I am taking. Here, generally, see, they are not mentioned about x-axis, about y-axis. Nothing is mentioned now. We can take about x-axis. Okay. So, ellipse equation also they gave x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. With its vertex means isosceles triangle vertex at one end of the major axis. Major axis what ma? Here major axis what na? X axis is the major axis. Okay. Y and y dash. This is the origin O. So what they are telling, there is isosceles triangle that is inscribed in a ellipse. One more point what they give, one of the vertex in triangle na there is a 3 vertex, I'm right. One of the vertex must be, what is that, end of the major axis you have to take. Either this is the end of major axis or this is end of the major axis. Any one point you should take as one vertex of the triangle. Suppose this point I'm taking as A, the other point you should not take here because other 2 point on what is that other axis, that and all they didn't mention. Okay, so that they didn't mention about other what is that vertex must be on a minor axis, that things they didn't use at all, so that you should not take voluntarily other 2 point on the minor axis. That means here this is the minor end point of minor. Okay, that you should not take, so that simply I'll be taking here. That should be what they said, isosceles triangle. They said, what my dear, they said isosceles triangle. Isosceles na two side will be equal. Then A, B, C. So surely then AB and AC will be equal. So ABC is the isosceles triangle, that is also given. And one vertex must be end point of the major axis. That's it. Yes, A I'm taking on the end of the major axis. That's it. Are you understand the question first? What you have to differentiate now? Maximum area of isosceles triangle. So area of isosceles triangle you have to differentiate. Okay. First you take, let ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Here, children listen. AB equal to AC and BC as a base. I'm taking area of triangle. They said area of triangle. Area of a triangle ABC, which is equal to area of triangle. I'll take A ma. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. This is the formula. Okay. How you will be getting base equal to how you will be getting height equal to how you will be getting. That is, you should realize. Listen, pa. Height very easy to get it. Actually, A square na. What is the end point? A point is what ma? A comma 0. So that from the origin to this length will be A. From the origin to that length, what my dear? A. Okay. Which means from here to here, that will be A. If you want to mention, you mention, I will leave it. Okay. This full length will be A. This full length will be what? A. Means from origin to A. Origin to A point A length. That is the meaning of A comma 0. And B point, we don't know. But when I'm taking what is that second chapter or fifth chapter, I would have given this. Any point on ellipse, any point on parabola, we have discussed them, right? Or else in 11th we have discussed this. 11th, right? Any point on ellipse, na, how it will be? First, any point on parabola, how it will be? Any point On parabola, if you take, the point will be at square, comma 2at. This is the any point on parabola. But our question what ma? This is extra point I'm giving. But our point what ma? Ellipse. So that any point on ellipse, then the point will be what ma? A cos theta, comma B sin theta. That is the any point on a ellipse. So suppose here question is ellipse. Suppose parabola they are giving any innovative question now, you can use this. If you want to use, you can use, surely not an issue. Okay. So that then this is B point on the ellipse only. So that A cos theta, comma B sin theta will be the B point. Okay. Then what about C point? A cos theta, comma minus B sin theta. This is fourth quadrant. X is positive, Y is negative. That is what I mentioned like that. I gave here minus. That's it. Okay. Other than remaining and all same. Okay. What is meaning of this is X, this is Y I said, which means this distance what ma? Raja, this distance what we can say? O to this, what we can say? A cos theta you can say. If you want to take anything, you take D point. So O to D, what is ma? A cos theta. Same manner, B to D, what ma? B sin theta. Okay, what is this? B sin theta. Here also B sin theta. Even here also B sin theta. When we see as a length that there is no negative. Sir, here positive, so that you give positive. But here negative, you should give negative only. No, like that you will be thinking. But length na always positive. Okay, be careful. Now base very easily you will be getting. Base na BC. Base means what Paraja? BC. So BC value what? B sin theta plus B sin theta. What you will be getting? 2 times B sin theta. 2 times B sin theta is my base B. Then what about H value? H is equal to what? H in a height, that is AD. AD is the height of the what is the triangle? AD. So what about AD? AD how you will be getting? Listen carefully. AD how you will be getting? AD how you will be getting? See the full length what I know? Full length what I know? A. Okay. From the A, if you remove this portion now, you will be getting the AD. Am I right? That's it. That is I'm going to mention now. So that AD if you want now, OA minus OD you can do. OA value A, OD value A cos theta. A if you take outside now, 1 minus cos theta is the H, that is height. Okay, height. Now we can go here. Area equal to 1 by 2 base what na? 2 times B sin theta. 2 times B sin theta. And height means H. H value what we have? This is the H value. Okay, what is that? A into 1 minus cos theta. That's it. Okay. Now constant alone you take separately. Sin you multiply inside. So what I am getting? Even 2 you can cancel. Numerator 2, denominator 2 you can cancel. So that A, B, sin when I multiple inside. 1 into sin, minus sin into cos is sin cos. Okay, you can differentiate now. This is the area. Area we can differentiate with respect to theta only. Theta is the variable. But you can use here UV formula you have to use. So to avoid UV formula, what is the formula we have? Sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta into cos theta. This formula you can use. So 2 alone you send opposite. 2 alone when you send opposite, sin theta into cos theta you will be getting. So that AB is a constant, let it be. Sin theta minus this together what I am going to mention. Sin 2 theta divided by 2 I will be mentioned. This is our required value of A. Okay, now you can surely differentiate, or else you take cross multiply. Little easily you can complete. So that AB 2 times sine theta minus sine 2 theta whole divided by 2 will be coming, that I am giving outside. This is my area of a triangle. That's it. Okay, we got a area of triangle. But what they said, maximum area we have to say. What we have to say, pa? Maximum area. For that you should differentiate this sum, right? So that I am going to differentiate this. Can I take into second page? Right. So area A equal to, what is that? AB divided by 2 sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Just I'm taking the Raja, the equation 1 I'm taking there. I'm not doing anything. Then you don't write that equation 1. This equation 1 just I copied there. Now see, this is equation 1 I said. Again you don't write this step. Now differentiate with respect to theta, then a dash is equal to ab is a constant divided by 2. 2 let it be sine derivative what pa? Cos theta minus sine derivative what pa? Again cos, but here theta, so I didn't differentiate, but here we have a 2 theta. 2 theta when I differentiate with respect to theta now 1 you will be getting. Okay, so that what you can say, 2 you can take outside. 2 when you take outside, what is remaining? Cos theta minus cos 2 times theta. So that 2 cancelled. Sorry, cancellation you can use some other color. 2 cancelled. Then what I am getting? AB into cos theta minus cos 2 times theta, answer number 2. This is my A dash. So that you should put equal to 0, a dash equal to 0 na, then only you can find a theta value. So that AB into cos theta minus cos 2 theta, which is equal to 0. Okay. So multiply AB when you send opposite, 0 divided by anything 0. So that cos theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0 minus cos 2 theta when you send opposite plus cos 2 theta you will be getting. When you apply cos inverse on both sides, na theta equal to 2 theta you will be getting. Theta cancel na 1 equal to 2 impossible. Have you noticed? Don't write here. So 1 equal to what ma? Impossible. Then you should not cancel. Then what is the other way? Meaning should not change, but you have to find a theta. What is the other way? Where is cos theta will be positive? Where is cos? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, how it will be? And 2 pi minus theta. Am I right? 2 pi minus theta. So the cos theta should not change. Even sine also should not change. But you have to write some other thing now. The cos theta I am right. Cos 2 pi minus theta, which is equal to cos 2 theta. Because directly if you cancel, 1 equal 2 is coming. 1 equal 2 is impossible in mathematics. Am I right? Now you can cancel the cos. So that 2 pi minus theta is equal to 2 theta I am getting. Now I am not getting like that. Now minus 2 theta when you send opposite, what I am getting? That is 2 theta plus theta. So that 2 pi is equal to 3 times theta. 2 pi divided by 3 is equal to theta. I got a theta value. Okay, the theta is a maxima or minima we have to check them, right? So that we have to differentiate second point again. Okay, so that differentiate with respect to theta once again. So that double dash means and 2 we are differentiating. So that 2 implies what is that? A double dash AB multiply constant cos derivative what pa? Minus sine. Cos derivative what pa? Minus sine. Again cos derivative minus sine, but one more minus we have here. So minus into minus plus sine 2 times theta multiply 2 theta when you differentiate 2 into 1. So 2 I am mentioning there. You can apply the theta value now. What I am getting? You can apply the theta. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 you can apply. So that minus sine 2 pi by 3 plus 2 you can write here. Sine 2 theta na 2 2s are 4. So that 4 pi by 3 you can write. How you will be simplifying this? 2 theta, Rajam. Sin 2 pi is equal to, how you can write now? Sin, shall we write 3 pi minus 1 pi divided by 3? So that sin pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 na which quadrant ba? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. Pi na no change. So that sin pi by 3 you will be getting. What is sin pi by 3? Means sin 60 root 3 divided by 2. So that AB into minus root 3 divided by 2 I am getting. Okay. Right. Here, what about this one? 4 pi by 3. Yeah. Sin 4 pi by 3. Now, how you will be writing this? Sin 4 pi you can write 3 pi plus 1 pi divided by 3. 3 if you give separate la, pi plus pi by 3 you will be getting. Pi plus pi by 3 na third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative. So minus sin pi by 3. Okay. Next minus root 3 divided by 2 you will be getting. Right. But we have here multiply 2 also. But we have multiply 2 also. So that plus 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. But whatever, minus if you take outside na, minus AB root 3 divided by 2, 2 cancel, plus root 3 after taking minus outside, so less than 0. Double derivative less than 0 na, what we can say ba? Yeah, maxima. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 is maxima. Maxima in the sense, what is the meaning? That is area, mean area of triangle. Okay, area of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle ABC is maximum. That is they asked to say. Okay, so area of isosceles triangle, area of isosceles triangle which inscribed in ellipse, we have a maximum area, we said. That's it. Is there anything extra we have to prove? That's it now. Have you understand pa? Is it okay? So they may ask in 3 more children these things and all. Okay. Here very important. Directly if you cancel now 1 equal to 2 you will be getting. So you have to think wisely how we can simplify this like that. Maximum area also. Then theta you take substitute in the area. Ma, they asked maximum area also it seems. So that take theta. So we said maximum area also they asking. Take theta, substitute in 1. That is the area. Am I right? So there you will be getting the maximum area. Understand? Right. We'll be going where? Here we'll do. Okay. Maximum area is, that is 1 implies A equal to AB divided by 2 into 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta value what ma? 2 pi divided by 3 minus sin 2 theta na, 2 2s are 4. 4 pi by 3. That's it. This already we have simplified na. Sin 2 pi by 3 here we have value. Sin 4 pi by 3 also here we have value. Directly you can apply. Okay, directly you apply pa. So that AB divided by 2, 2 into sin 2 pi by 3 value what na? Root 3 divided by 2. Okay, root 3 divided by 2 minus sin 4 pi by 3 value what na? Minus root 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus, so that root 3 divided by 2. Now what is possible to cancel, do it, or else don't cancel. Easy to add if you not cancel. So that AB divided by 2, if I keep it divide 2 as it is na, 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. What we can write ra? 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. 3 root 3 you can write. What you can write pa? 3 root 3. I didn't cancel. Have you noticed it? Too easily we can add. I kept as it is. Now denominator what? 2 2s are 4. AB 3 root 3. Check book bag answer pa. Or else we can write this what? 3AB Root 3 divided by 4. Is it book back answer? Huh? Like, oh, AB they give separately, right? 3 root 3 by 4 into AB. Okay. This is square units because area, right? So square units you can mention. That's it, Raja. So this is the maximum area. I hope you understand. Read the question carefully. See, I just stopped here. If you are not finding now in book back, in board exam, 1.5 mark they will take. 1.5 mark they will take. It's 3 mark question also 1.5 mark they will not give. Okay, area they asking na. So be careful. Can I go next question, pa? Next question. Well, listen. A tank with rectangular base. Ma, we have a tank, pa. The tank we have a rectangular base, rectangular sides. Rectangular base, rectangular side, na. Okay, one tank we have rectangular base, rectangular. What is that side? Don't forget. Suppose this is the base we'll take. This is the base. Base L into B. This is base, pa. And one more rectangle we have, rectangular side, one more rectangular side, this is side will take. Okay, both must be same only, should what is that we should get, but different name we have here. So this one I'll give x into y, this one I'll give what, my dear, x into y. So base rectangle, side rectangle we have, open at the top, top is open. So base only one time will be coming, but side will be coming at a 4 places, don't forget. And constructed so that depth will be 2 meter. Depth means what? Height. Actually the shape together if you join it will become cuboid. Okay, cuboid it will be coming. So depth na height you can take. Height is equal to 2 meter and volume is 8 meter. Volume is 8 meter cube. Volume is 8 meter cube they gave. Okay. So surely if I'm giving now, it is a cuboid, right? I will draw directly cuboid. Length. So rectangle you have to draw. Okay. So this is a cuboid. Open top. This is a base. This is a base. Length into breadth I'm taking. Length into breadth. Okay. The same length also will be coming where the y will be here. Height will be 2 meter they gave. Height will be 2 meter. You don't forget. How you'll be doing carefully, you just realize this. Okay, if the building of the tank cost 70 rupees per meter square for the base, for constructing the base alone, for constructing the base 70 rupees 1 meter square it seems. Okay, so that 1 meter square is equal to rupees 70 for a base. Okay, same manner rupees 45 for a side, then 1 meter square which is equal to rupees 45 for constructing side. Sides we are constructing, sides only we have 4. Then what is the cost of a least na minimum pa, least expensive tank. Then cost of tank together they asking. Then total cost first we will find base cost. Okay, base cost how much it will be coming. How much? How we can find base cost? 1 meter square 70 na. How we can find base cost? Base area into cost we can multiply. Am I right? So base cost if you want na 70 into area of base. Area of a base. What is area of base? Area should be rectangle shape. Rectangle na, here x is there, here y is there. Then what is the base area? Length into breadth, that is x into y. That is what, my dear? X into y. So that it will be 70 xy. Okay, let it be. And next, what is that? Side. Okay, side I will draw like this. I will start. Listen pa. Side cost equal to, do it carefully ma. Side cost what na? First this side I am taking pa. What is this? This side. This is one rectangle. So length y, height x na, L into B formula. So 2 into y you will be getting. 2 into y. But the same you will be getting opposite side also. Then how many times you will be getting? 2 times. So 2 times of 2y plus one more side what na? This one. What is this? Length will be x, height will be 2. So that x into 2. What you will be getting pa? X into 2. That means 2x I will be giving. But same thing you will be getting this side also. Length into 2. So that 2 times I will be giving. What I am giving, my dear? 2 times. Okay. Right. Now you can take the 4 outside. So y plus x we have. What we have? Y plus x. So y value you can substitute here. From here you can find y. Y value what na? Xy is equal to 4. Y equal to 4 by x. Take the y value, substitute. What is that? 4 divided by x plus x. This is the side cost. Now we will go pa. Total cost equal to base cost plus sides, 4 sides cost. So base cost what na? 280 plus 4 side cost what na? 4 into side cost. Very good, Ra. Here you want, this is only side area. Cost if you want na, multiply 45. Very good, pa. Then 4 into 45, what you will be getting, pa? 180, yeah. 180. So take here. What is that? 180 into 4 divided by x plus x. This is the total cost I will be taking C. Now you have to differentiate what is the total cost C. Okay. So what I am getting? C1 you have to differentiate. C1 you have to differentiate with respect to x. So that differentiate with respect to x. So what I am getting now? C dash is equal to 280 when you differentiate 0. 280 when you differentiate 0 plus 180 into 4 by x. 4 let it be as it is. 4 let it be as it is. But 1 dash when you differentiate minus 1 divided by x square. X when you differentiate what pa? 1. X when you differentiate what pa? 1. Now you simplify this. C dash is equal to 180 into minus 4 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, this is answer number 2 will take. This is answer number 1 will take. Now put equal to 0 to find x value. So that 180 into minus 4 divided by x square plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply 180 when you send opposite na, that is divide. 0 divided anything 0 plus 1 equal 0. Minus value when you send opposite plus, so 1 equal to 4 divided by x square. X square when you take opposite na, 1 into x square equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 you will be getting. But x you should not take in negative because x is what? Base length. Base length you, what is that? You will not get in negative. So that x is equal to 2 times meter. I am taking in the positive. Okay, x value we got it. Now we have to say what? Least expensive of the tank we have to say. Least na, what is that? Minimum you have to say. So that you need double derivative. So the differentiate 2 again. So that C double dash is equal to, this one you have to differentiate. Okay. So that 180 multiply constant, let it be as it is. 180 multiply constant minus 4 also. Minus 4 also let it be as it is. 1 by x square when you differentiate, what you will be getting pa? Minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay. 1 derivative what na? 0. 1 derivative what na? 0. Okay. Right. So minus into minus plus 180 into 4 into 2 divided by x value what not 2. 2 means 8. Whatever, this is greater than 0. Greater than 0 na, what we can say pa? Greater than 0 na, what we can say? Minima. Okay. So therefore x equal to 2 is minima. That is total cost is minimum. Total cost is minimum. Minimum or least you can say. Are they asking total cost is what? What is what is the cost of least expensive? So total cost if they ask na, take the x value, substitute in the equation number 1. So x value you take, substitute in the equation number 1. So let me make little small, wait. Okay, so cost I am going to find now. Cost I will find this side itself. What is that cost which is equal? Sorry, 1 implies cost C, that is total cost is equal to, what is that, 280 plus here 280 plus in plus 180 into 4 by x. 4 by x now what ma? 4 divided by x value 2 plus x. Again x value what pa? 2. So that 2 you will be getting. So that you can cancel. What is that? 1 2s are 2 2s are. So what I am getting now? 280 plus 180, 2 plus 2 4. So 280 plus what is that pa? 0. What is that 0? 32 remaining 3, 4 plus 3 na 720. When you add each, what I am getting pa? 1000 is it coming? Okay, 1000 rupees it seems. So total cost what pa? 1000 rupees. That's it. Okay. Be careful in the diagram and all. That's it pa. Sixth one is over. Do it fast. Those who completed, write question number 7 ra Raja. Is it done ma? Boy side completed appa. Girl side appa. Have you done? For next question we will go. Next question what na? For listen pa. Sum of the perimeter of circle. Ma perimeter of circle what pa? Yes, 2 pi r. If you take a circle in radius r na, so that perimeter of a circle, what they will say 2 pi r. Perimeter or circumference, same meaning I said. And square they said, square length I will take a. Then what is perimeter of square pa? Perimeter of square what ma? 4 a. Okay, sum of all the 4 sides. Now what they said actually, sum of the perimeter of circle and square is k it seems. So that first condition what na? 2 pi r plus 4a, when you add I am getting k it seems, where k is a constant given by question. And prove that sum of their area, this is given pa, let it be. What we have to prove? Sum of their area. Sum of their area is least. Sum of their area is least. Least means what pa? Minimum. That is S is equal to circle area pi r square, square area side square. So this one you have to say minimum. Least means what you have to say pa? Minimum you have to say. When side of the square doubled, what is one more? When we have to prove this pa? When side of the square, side means a, doubled the radius means 2 times r. Okay, when you have to say which is least ma? A equal 2 times r, you have to prove this minimum. Understand? They gave a value what? Okay, let it be minimum when a is equal to 2 times r. Side of square is doubled the radius of circle. That's it. Shall we start pa? Very simple. We have to say this is least. Right? Fine. But here r is a variable, a also a variable na. To avoid this, any one you find from this, what you will find? Either a or r. A if you find na, 4a is equal to k minus 2 times pi r. A equal to K minus 2 times pi R divided by 4. This A value we have to substitute here. Understand? So S is equal to pi times R square plus A value what na? K minus 2 pi R divided by 4 the whole square. Apply the square. What I am getting? Pi R square plus K minus 2 pi R the whole square divided by 4 square na 16. Okay, let it be. We'll differentiate this. Let it be. We'll differentiate. Differentiate with respect to R. Okay. So that what I am getting, S dash is equal to pi, let it be R square when you differentiate na 2R plus R square when you differentiate what pa 2R plus 1 by 16, let it be as it is ma, means the divide is 16 only, I am writing as 1 by 16. This one square when you differentiate 2 will be coming down, K minus 2 pi R whole power 2 minus 1 into inside the bracket also you have to what is the differentiate? K derivative is 0 because K is constant. 2 pi is multiply R derivative 1. That's it. Simplify this Raja. So what I am getting 1 2s are 8 2s are. This also multiply. Then 1 time how many time? 4 time. So finally what I am getting 2 pi R. There is a minus here. So that minus K minus 2 pi R into pi, yeah, okay, into pi. But this pi is there into pi. That's it. Is that anything? Pi you can take outside, and this minus you can multiply, or else let it be. By sorry, pa, very good. By 4 is there, so pi by 4 I'll write. So this is what my S dash. I'll take answer number 2, and this one you take 1. Right. Now we have to put equal to 0. Right. Put S dash is equal to 0 to find the radius. So what I am getting S dash equal to 0 now 2 times pi R minus of K minus 2 pi R into pi by 4 which is equal to 0. So 2 pi R which is equal to minus when you said opposite na K minus 2 pi R into pi by 4. So pi you can cancel, 1 pi you can cancel, 4 you can send opposite. So that what I am getting 4 when I send opposite, 4 2s are 8 times R is equal to K minus 2 pi R. We have to find R value only. So that minus 2R when you bring opposite, 8R plus 2 pi R equal to K. R shall we take? Or 2R you take. 2R if you take outside now, 4 plus what is that? 2 plus pi. That's it, I'm right. That is K. Then R equal to what you will be getting? K divided by 2 into 4 plus pi. 2 into what ma? 4 plus pi. This is my R value. R value little different I'm getting. It's okay. We need double derivative to substitute in this to check least. Okay. So differentiate then. Differentiate 2. So what I'm getting 2 implies S double dash is equal to this one you have to differentiate pa. So that first 2 pi R. 2 pi let it be. R when you differentiate 1 minus. Okay, multiply pi by 4, let it be as it is. K when you differentiate 0 minus 2 pi, let it be. Here also R when you differentiate 1 into pi by 4 we have outside. Okay, now you can simplify minus into minus plus 2 pi minus into minus plus. You can cancel this by 2 on this one. 1 time, how many time? 2 time. So pi into pi square you will be getting pi square divided by 2. Anyway, this is greater than 0 because no R to substitute. Okay, greater than 0 na, this is least. Double derivative greater than 0 na, least. So therefore, what is that? R is what is that? Greater than 0 na, minima. R is minima. That is, what is minimum? R is minimum na, what is minimum? Sum of their areas what ma? Minimum. Then sum of their area is minimum. Okay, that is you have to say. Are they asking minimum area? Are they asking to find minimum area? Prove that. That's it. No. Prove that sum of the areas least. No. Okay. But one more point they asking. No. A equal to R. That we didn't bring. Right. A equal to 2R we didn't bring. So that you have to substitute here. What you got R value, here you substitute, we will be getting the, what is that, the answer. Okay, shall we substitute? Let's substitute, we will be getting. Okay, right, fine. Listen, take, this is, I'll take start point. This I'll take start point, okay. So that star implies you have to bring A equal to what we have. A equal to what we have. A equal to what we have. K minus 2 pi R is there. Here. Here I'm substituting, okay. So K minus 2 pi R na. What is the R value we know, ma? Here we have R value. Take the R value, substitute K divided by 2 into 4 plus pi. Whole divided by what we have? 4. Whole divided by what we have? 4. Right, fine. Now you can cancel this 2. Listen, these two you can cancel. And remaining 4 plus pi you can take cross multiply. This 4 plus pi you take cross multiply. So what I'm getting? Here we have a K. Denominator we have 4. Let it be as it is. So that what I'm getting, let's see. What I'm getting, let's see. K into 4 plus pi minus pi into K, that is K pi you can say. What you can say? K pi you can say. Whole divided by, what is that, 4 into, sorry, 4 plus pi into 4 you will be getting. After taking cross multiply, it will be coming in denominator. Now take the K multiple inside. 4K plus K pi minus again, what is that, K pi divided by 4 into 4 plus pi. This one will be cancelled. So that what I am getting, 4K divided by 4 into, what is that, 4 plus pi, 4 cancel na. K divided by 4 plus pi is coming. Is that a value? Okay, this is A value. Raja, this is what, ma? A value. But very important what they said, listen carefully what they said. A equal to 2 times R we have to bring, they said. Am I right? 2 times R. So we have a value also. A value here we have. And R value here we have. Kindly check whether it is there 2 times of A. Kindly you check 2 times. Okay. Then A is equal to, if you multiply by 2, if you get this, okay. If you get this, is it okay? Understand? So 2 times of R. What is that? A value equal to 2 times of R. This is we have to prove. Listen, pa. Check once again. A into, what is the R? Here we have. Okay. K divided by 2 times 4 plus pi. 2 will cancel na. K divided by 4 plus pi. This is A. See, surely we are getting, what is that? This is satisfied. Left hand side equal to right hand side is satisfying. Have you noticed it, ba? They listen, ra. Are you noticed it? A value what? K by 4 plus pi, pa. Ma A value what, pa? K by 4 plus pi. And R value what? Here we have. That I am substituting here. When I substitute, I am getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means it's what? Satisfied A equal to 2R. Okay. So that it's satisfied. Satisfied A equal to 2R. You write. A equal to 2R is satisfied. You write. Have you understand, sir? Okay. That is also we have to say. Don't forget anything which they asked in question. All the points are important. Oh, time up. Okay, I'll continue in the next video.